ASO Specialist and how to become one. Hey there! Have you ever heard of the ASO Specialist profession? It's one of the newest and fastest growing roles in the tech industry, and what's great, you don't need to code to get started. More and more people are entering IT through non-technical roles, and ASO is a perfect entry point. In a world where over 250 billion apps are downloaded every year, companies are looking for people who can help their apps get seen. So, who exactly is an ASO specialist? What do they actually do? And how can you become one in 2025 even with zero experience? Let's break it down step by step. What is ASO and why it matters? ASO stands for App Store Optimization. It's the process of improving your app's visibility within app stores, like the App Store, Google Play, or Huawei App Gallery, to increase organic installs. Think of ASO like SEO, but for apps instead of websites. While SEO helps websites rank in Google, ASO helps your app get discovered in the store's search results, top charts, and featured sections. And the main goal of an ASO specialist? To make your app as visible, clickable, and compelling as possible for users browsing or searching in the App Store. In short, more visibility, more downloads. Let's pause here for a stat. Every single day, around 3,700 new apps are published across both stores. And mobile users are downloading over 250 billion apps every year. So how do you stand out? That's where ASO comes in. A quick history of the ASO profession. The term ASO started gaining traction around 2013-2014 when app developers realized that just launching an app wasn't enough. Since then, ASO has grown from a niche task to a full-blown profession. In 2020, ASO started becoming a standalone role at mobile-first companies. By 2023-2024, LinkedIn and job boards like Glassdoor showed a 50% increase in ASO-related job listings. Now in 2025, it's one of the most accessible tech careers out there. Why the demand for ASO specialists is growing. Let's talk numbers. The App Store has over 1.8 million apps. Google Play has more than 3.6 million. As of 2025, here's the size of the app market. Over 7.3 billion smartphone users globally. Android holds about 70% of the global mobile OS market. Google Play serves more than 2.5 billion users. Apple App Store reaches over 650 million weekly active users. On average, people use 30 different apps every month. And without optimization, your app might never be seen. That's why the role of ASO specialist is becoming more critical and more in demand than ever before. So, what does an ASO specialist actually do? One of the most important tasks is keyword research. That means finding the exact words and phrases that people type into the App Store or Google Play when they're looking for an app. For example, someone looking for a meditation app might type guided meditation, relaxing music, or sleep sounds. Your job as an ASO specialist is to find those keywords and then add them to the app's title, subtitle, and description. Why? Because the app stores use those texts to understand what your app is about. If you include the right keywords in the right places, your app is more likely to show up in search results. No keywords, no visibility, no downloads. But that's just the beginning. 2. An ASO specialist also works on text optimization and visuals, rewriting and adjusting the app's metadata to make it clear, attractive, and keyword-rich. Metadata are all the text and visual elements that describe your app inside the store. It's everything a user sees before downloading, and everything the algorithm uses to understand what your app is about. Metadata include the app title, the subtitle, or short description, the long description, the keywords field for iOS, and all the visuals, icon, screenshots, and preview video. Why are metadata so important? Because the App Store search engines, like Apple Search or Google Play Search, scan your metadata to decide when and where to show your app in search results. Think of metadata as your app's SEO inside the store. Well-written metadata help your app get found, get noticed, and get downloaded. Other key tasks include 3. A/B testing, comparing two versions of text or visuals to see which performs better. 4. Ratings and reviews management, helping apps get more positive feedback and respond to users. 5. Competitor analysis, checking what similar apps are doing. 6. Performance tracking, analyzing how your changes affect downloads and visibility. So as you can see, being an ASO specialist isn't just about keywords. It's a unique mix of marketing, analytics, creativity, psychology, and data. If you enjoy combining logic with storytelling and helping great apps get discovered, this job might be a perfect match for you. Being an ASO specialist also means knowing how to work with professional ASO tools, like ASOMobile. This platform helps you analyze keyword popularity and competition, track how many keywords your app ranks for, monitor where your positions are improving or declining, and follow daily visibility trends. Why ASO is a great way to enter the IT world. If you're looking to get into tech without coding, ASO might be perfect for you. Here's why. You don't need a CS degree. You can start with free or affordable tools. It combines analytics, creativity, and marketing. You can work remotely or freelance. You get to work with global markets and languages. Plus, ASO specialists often expand into other roles: mobile marketing, product management, UA, or localization management. How to become an ASO specialist in 2025. There's no official university program for ASO yet, but here's the good news. You can start today, even with zero background. We have a free text-based academy where you can quickly learn the basics, both theory and practice, in a compact, beginner-friendly format. If you want to understand whether this profession suits you, check the link in the description. You can even create your first ASO project using free tools or trial versions of professional ones. We'll leave a link to a video that guides you through your first steps. The good news? Many companies in 2025 are open to hiring entry-level ASO specialists if you show solid knowledge and a passion to learn. Now let's talk about something everyone's curious about: the salary. How much can you actually earn as an ASO specialist in 2025? First of all, ASO is one of the few digital professions where you can start small and grow fast, both in income and in skill. Your salary will depend on your experience, the country or region you work in, and whether you're working for a company or freelancing. Let's look at some average monthly salary ranges by location. In the United States, an ASO specialist can earn anywhere from $2,500 to over $5,000 per month, especially if they're working with big brands or mobile games. In the United Kingdom, the average salary is around $2,000 to $3,500 per month. In Germany and France, salaries typically range from $2,000 to $3,000 per month. In Ukraine, a junior ASO specialist might start with $700, and experienced professionals can earn up to $1,200 per month. In India, salaries range from 40,000 to 100,000 rupees, depending on experience and the company. And if you work as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, you can charge between $15 and $50 per hour, depending on your expertise and the project. The great thing is, most ASO jobs are remote, so you're not limited by your location. You can live anywhere and still work with clients or companies from the US, Europe, or anywhere in the world. That means your income can grow not just with experience, but also with the global demand for ASO specialists. Let's recap why ASO is worth it. The mobile app market is booming. App stores are overcrowded, and growing daily ASO specialists help apps get seen and downloaded. It's one of the easiest ways to enter the tech world. Companies around the world are hiring right now. If you love apps, data, and creative problem solving, this might just be your dream career. Want to learn more? This is just the beginning. We have plenty of videos on our channel and tons of practical content on our website to help you dive deeper into ASO and grow your app's visibility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And hey, feel free to drop your questions or experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.